Primetime news this evening, another questionable development on Charlemont Drive. Citizen groups want heads to roll in the wake of damning Integrity Commission report implicating NWC President Mark Barnett. And more than 700 posts advertised for medical doctors in the public health sector. Minister insists it's not due to migrating doctors.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. With a preview of what's to come in the business news fresh from vacation is Andrea Chisholm.
Thank you very much, Janella. It's good to be back. And as you know, there has been an explosion of short-term accommodation providers, including Airbnbs, and the government is looking to regulate the sector. Find out why in the Business Day.
Thanks, Andrea. And Jordan Ford has a preview of Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, the JFF's search for a coach to replace Lauren Donaldson for the Reggae Girls continues. And of course, the Reggae Girls will be locked in crucial Gold Cup qualifiers come next week. But we'll tell you why that search has seemingly hit a snag. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
And Romain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, the biggest change we're looking at in the weather for this week is an increase in wind speeds across the island, so we could be seeing some cooler temperatures. Also, there is a stationary front that is in the Western Caribbean, but it's still not expected to be moving into the Jamaica area.
Is that a Christmas breeze?
I hope so. It's been hotter than expected, but we'll hear more from Romain later on in the weather report and forecast. There's also E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Okay, and this evening we're asking, what should the Jamaican government do with Haitians who enter the country illegally?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.